How to use though, although, and even though. Let's clear up a common English confusion. Though, although, and even though. They all mean but or despite, but they're used a little differently. Although formal, great for writing or meetings. Structure, although plus subject plus verb. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. Though more casual, often used in speech or at the end of a sentence. It was raining. We went for a walk though. Same meaning, just lighter in tone. Even though, stronger contrast. Adds emotion or surprise. Even though he was sick, he came to work. More emphasis than although. Quick compare, although is neutral, though is casual. Even though is stronger, emotional. All three show contrast. Like A happened, but B also happened. Want to sound natural, whether in meetings or casual chats? Master these small but powerful words. Comment Thought Master and follow Clapingo for more clear, confident English. You've got this.